Hello, if you want to get the dynamic island on your Redmi 14C, then first of all, you will have to start by opening the Google Play Store, click on search, and input this phrase, dynamic spot. Then click right here, download it, and then open. Now we'll have to accept some permissions and notifications. Click next. Now follow these instructions. Now we can select all notifications, go back, go for notification access, select dynamic spot, click on this notification access, click on this option, and after a few seconds click on OK button. There we go. Now click on the draw on screen and select no restrictions. Let's do this one more time. Click next. And when we are here, we have to go for downloaded apps, select dynamic spot and click on this use dynamic spot. Click on it on this switcher that we are aware of possible risks and click OK again. Click OK right now, click done, and take a look. Right now when you receive notification, it will look like this. There we go. You will get this kind of the dynamic island. And of course you can still adjust this, so you can change size, you can change position, or for example you can change the color. So here you can change this position as I told you, but here you can change the appearance. So here we can change the color of it, like for example the orange one, the duration, maximum text lines. So you can actually customize here a lot of different things. But as you can see, that's how it looks, and thanks for watching.